If you love Notion, get ready, because we're about to make it 10 times smarter. In this video, I'll show you how to build a complete AI workflow inside Notion that organizes your tasks, writes your content, and automates your weekly reports. You'll learn how to connect ChatGPT to Notion using automation tools like Zapier or Make, so your workspace becomes your personal assistant. Imagine adding a task, and your AI instantly creates notes, subtasks, and even a summary of what you need to do next. Or uploading an idea, and the AI turns it into a full script or blog post automatically. You don't need to be a coder. You just need to understand the logic of AI automation. Once you set this up, Notion becomes more than a productivity app, it becomes your second brain.